Hi, my name is Andres. I'm here at our beautiful SIMStation headquarters demo center, and I'm happy to show you the newest addition to the SIMStation product family, the POV Wireless Headcam. So let's jump right in, put this thing on, and I'm going to show you what it can do. Let's go. The wireless headcam automatically shows up in your camera options. By a drag and drop, you can add it to the system, and it immediately appears. Let's head back, start recording, and see your patient. I'm gonna make my view full screen so you can see better what's going on. In the world of training and education, experiencing what others see firsthand is essential for learning, improving skills, and achieving mastery. That's why we've developed the wireless POV Headcam, a game-changing device that brings you closer to the action, immersing you in the trainee's perspective. With the SIMStation POV Headcam, you'll see directly through their eyes, getting invaluable insight into their decision-making processes, techniques, and challenges. Easy to use, lightweight, and with hours of battery runtime, a true innovation in simulation training, offering unmatched insight and facilitating better learning. Thank you for joining us today, and I look forward to the next one.